Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you BUFF.163 CS2 skin marketplace review. So you might be wondering what is BUFF163 here that you may be hearing or seeing online. So Buff.163 here is a CS2 skin marketplace operated through the Chinese gaming marketplace ecosystem. Now, it is used to browse, buy, and sell Counter-Strike 2 weapon skins, knives, gloves, stickers, and a lot more, and other tradable in-game items here. But they do offer other options for other games as well, like Dota 2 or TF2 here, if you're interested with that. So yeah, so how do you exactly use Buff.163 here? So first is you need to browse the skins and just or the available options in here that you may want or you're interested in, and basically view the marketplace. But in order for you to view the marketplace here, you may need to create an account here, or you may need to log in into your account, or you can just register using the following registration process here by providing your mobile number and entering the code that you are going to receive in here. Now, in this case, you can basically pick or search for specific skins, filter by weapon, even for quality, exterior condition, pricing, and other available attributes here. So typical stuff that you could actually buy or see on trading or in marketplaces. So you can filter those with whatever you want, and then you can just open individual listings here to see their details. Now, if you want to purchase a skin here, you want to select the listing and follow the marketplace checkout here. As you can see, there are different listings that you could buy from, and you can go and just choose the buy option here to proceed with the checkout process. Now, the checkout process, you just need to follow the on-screen steps in here and provide the necessary information in order for you to complete it. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and just basically wait for a while. And usually, items are delivered through the Steam trade system, so you'll need the appropriate Steam account and trade settings enabled in order for you to start using it. Now, for sellers, or if you're selling here, you list the eligible CS2 item through buff.163 here and set your asking price and wait for another buyer to purchase it. And like any kind of whatever you're posting online, it will be also be posted in the section here that we are currently seeing right now. Now, from another thing that you may want to know, and or important thing here to understand, is that Buff.163 isn't simply a website where you download or receive a skin directly. Now, it functions as a marketplace, connecting buyers and sellers of CS2 items or for other games, with Steam used for the actual game item transfer. So, in simpler terms here, Buff.163 here is a marketplace where you can search for skins and other tradable items, compare listings, purchase items from sellers, or list your own items for sale if you're interested with that. But yeah, but since you're or because you're dealing with valuable digital items and Steam accounts here, doing your own research on the website itself or the platform itself with its current fees, withdrawal rules, and account requirements, and Steam trading requirements is recommended before depositing money or making a purchase here. And with any kind of platform out there, reading reviews about the website outside the website is highly recommended, just to make sure that you're actually getting the most out of your time and the money that you're going to invest on that platform. But that's about it. So, friends, video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.